Greetings, architectural community. My name is Cameron Riddell and I'm president of Bird Barrier America. We manufacture effective, discreet, and long-lasting bird control systems that are used on buildings all around the world. Our products are regularly specified by U.S. architects on all types of buildings, including government, hospitality, retail, infrastructure, and even residential. Our specifications can be downloaded here on the ARCAT website. Bird control is not doorknobs, and if you haven't ever specified it before, you might have questions we can answer. Our planning department reviews plans and advises what products should be installed and where. We understand that you want a bird-free building that doesn't look like a prison. Our BirdShock FlexTrack is only a 1/4 inch tall and comes in 5 different colors to match your building. Our Stealth Net excludes birds from tricky configurations and literally disappears from the ground. We will gladly recommend the best looking product and most effective solution for your clients' buildings. Feel free to contact us at 800-NO-BIRDS or email us at proposals@birdbarrier.com. You can also review clear, pertinent information about our products at birdbarrier.com. We look forward to working with you. Stay tuned as I will now tell you a little more about our 3 main products that are regularly specified by architects: Stealth Net, BirdShock FlexTrack, and BirdFlight Spikes. Thank you.
Stealth Net creates an impenetrable barrier to birds. When installed correctly, it is barely visible and will provide many years of protection. Stealth Net can protect a wide variety of building configurations, like loading docks and other open beam ceilings, stairwells, ventilation openings, airplane hangars, courtyards, parking structures, architectural entryways, industrial complexes, elevator shafts, complex architectural features, large tanks, historic buildings, undersides of bridges, entire rooftops, and other challenging configurations. And when infinite roosts exist on ornate buildings, the entire facade can be netted. Stealth Net is ultraviolet stabilized polyethylene twine, twisted and knotted to form a long-lasting, strong but discreet barrier. The netting is heat tensioned to lock the knots in place. It is made with a combination of sophisticated machines and skilled handwork. The netting is resistant to sun, wind, chemicals, and moisture. It will not rot or grow mold and does not conduct electricity. It is available in black, beige, which we call stone, and white. Various mesh sizes are available for different sized birds. The 2-inch mesh is effective against pigeons and larger birds. The 1 1/8 inch netting is used for starlings and grackles, and the 3/4 inch net effectively blocks out all bird species. Black is the most commonly installed net color. That's because it is the hardest to see in most applications and withstands ultraviolet rays the best. Notice how much less visible the black netting is compared to the stone netting under bright light conditions. Even up against light backgrounds, the black may be the best color. Stealth Net is available in 7 standard sizes and any custom dimension to match the job. Custom cut nets generally ship in 2 to 3 days and cost slightly more per square foot than the standard size nets. The nets are delivered in bundles, not long rolls. This is a 25 by 25 foot 2-inch net. It weighs less than 3 pounds. And this is a 50 by 100 foot 3/4 inch heavy duty net. It weighs 66 pounds. All corners are marked with a piece of colored twine. A tag is attached to one corner of the net. It tells you the length, width, color, and mesh size. Here, a team is unbundling a 25 by 25 foot net, finding the corners, and opening it up to its full size. Stealth net is attached to a cable system that is secured to the building. Special hardware is used to attach the cable to the structure and is available for all substrates. There are 7 elements to every stealth net installation. Corner attachments are the most important part of the system. They are where the cable starts, finishes, or turns corners. They need to be very strong. Intermediate attachments are placed every 2 to 3 feet and keep the cable close to the wall. Any gaps between the cable and the wall can allow birds to re-enter. Cable creates the framework around the net system. The netting is attached directly to the cable using net rings. Ferrules are sleeves that are crimped onto the cable to make a loop. A loop is required at both ends of every cable. Turnbuckles tighten the cable. The netting is the material that blocks the birds from the area. Only 2 of the parts attach directly to the structure, the corner attachments and the intermediate attachments. Birdshock FlexTrack is literally revolutionizing the bird control industry. With its low profile and wide variety of colors, it offers almost invisible protection against all bird species and all pressure levels. It is ideal for long ledges, Spanish tile, roof peaks, parapet caps, and even electric sign letters. Special connectors make signs a snap. Due to the conditioning shock that the birds feel when they step on the product, it is often possible to protect a wide ledge with just 1 row, saving material and labor costs. As the saying goes, birds know like zap. FlexTrack is available in gray, brick red, black, and beige. There are a few basic guidelines with respect to the placement of the product on the surface. In light to medium pressure situations on a one-sided ledge, 1 row on the outer edge of the ledge will generally protect the surface. As birds land on the edge of the ledge, they receive the shock and leave. For smaller birds like sparrows, and for heavier pressure, more rows may be required. On a 2-sided ledge, it is advisable to protect both sides. On the inside of letters, it may be necessary to install 3 or more rows to deter the aggressive nesting birds. The sign kit connections are ideal for this type of application. Bird Barrier now offers 5 different chargers depending on the size of the project you're working on. Our 120 volt small plug-in charger runs up to 500 feet of track. Our large 120 volt plug-in charger runs up to 2,500 feet of track. Our small 12 volt solar charger is good up to 500 feet of track, while the large 12 volt solar charger can run up to 1,000 feet of track. We also offer a small charger that runs on 2 D-cell batteries, which can run up to 200 feet of track. By far the most popular bird deterrent is the bird flight spike family. It is effective against large birds like pigeons and gulls and is good for all pressure levels. Bird flight is effective on parapet caps, windowsills, architectural ledges, signs, steel beams, chimneys, pipes, small equipment, street lights, and even on boats. And like most of the bird barrier family, it literally disappears from the distance. Bird flight comes in 1-foot lengths and is available in 3 widths. Bird flight narrow is 2.5 inches wide. Bird flight wide is 4.5 inches wide. And bird flight extra wide is 8 inches wide. Bird flight is packaged in an ingenious space-saving case. Each case contains rolled-up cylinders of spike. Each cylinder contains 25 feet of spike. This case contains 4 cylinders for a total of 100 feet.